Summer at the Family House in Karaburun. A freestyle American English original story. How to use in, on, and at, in real life. Opening up the house. Every summer we go to our family house in Karaburun on the Aegean Sea. But we don't open it. My wife's mom, Kus, and her dad, Baba Hassan, go there a few weeks earlier. They open the windows in every room, they clean, they put the tea on, and they get everything ready for us. So by the time we arrive, the house is already alive. Baba, what's the plan today? So we arrive, my wife Funda, me and our son Ega. In the morning, I always do the same joke. I look at Baba and I say, Baba, what's the plan today? And he always says, Plan yak, oğlum. We're on holiday. Because at this house, time doesn't exist. There are no alarms, no schedule. Things just happen. Everyone else shows up. After us, the rest of the family comes. Funda's older sister Filiz, her husband Kenan, and their son Ahmet walk in with bags and towels. Nobody knocks. It's family. In 5 minutes, the whole house is full, voices in the kitchen, bags on the floor, kids on the balcony. Breakfast on the balcony. We eat on the balcony because the view is too good. I put my Spanish omelet on the table. Kus keeps bringing food from the kitchen, olives in bowls, cheese on plates, bread in a basket, tea in glasses. Baba sits at his spot looking at the sea. Ega and Ahmet sit on the side, already talking about swimming. Nobody says, we have to go at 10. This is summer in Turkey. Tea before sea. When we start to finish breakfast, Kus says, let's put the tea on. So we haven't gone swimming yet. In this family, the only thing you must be on time for is Turkish tea. Walking to the sea. After tea, we finally move. We put towels in a bag, sunscreen on the kids, and we walk down the stone path to the water. Ega and Ahmet run ahead on the path. Funda and Filiz walk slowly in the back, talking in Turkish. Kenan carries the cooler. Baba walks slowly and enjoys the view. At the bottom of the path, our platform on the rocks is waiting. Swimming time. The boys throw their towels on the chairs and jump straight into the water. The women sit on the sunbeds. Kus puts fruit on a little table, she's always working. Baba watches the kids in the water with tea in his hand. I sit on the edge with my feet in the sea and think, yeah, this is better than work. Slow afternoon. When it gets hot, we go back to the house. The kids are in the living room playing on the floor. Funda and Filiz are in the bedroom talking. Kus is in the kitchen again. Baba is in the living room watching television and drinking Turkish tea in his favorite glass. And me? I'm on the balcony planning my next scuba diving adventure in the Aegean, not reading, planning dives. Sunset plus quick English. At sunset, we all sit on the terrace. The sea is orange in the evening. And I tell my students, we say in the house, in Karaburun, in the kitchen, we sit on the balcony, on the table, on the rocks, we stay at the house, at the bottom of the path, at sunset learn English in real life, not just in a book. If you like real ESL stories from real life in Turkey, subscribe and tell me what you want to learn next: prepositions, phrasal verbs, or more family stories.